Bathroom ventilation fans improve the air quality and also move moisture out of your home. So when they stop working, you need to get them fixed. The one here stopped working a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you how to switch it out. Now, we don't have access to the attic, so we're kind of limited as to what we can do. And also, we're only going to be replacing the actual fan while keeping the original ductwork and vent cover. First things first, let's turn off the power to the fan by turning it off at the fuse box. Once the power is off, pull down on the vent cover. Most covers will have a wire fastener that keeps it in place. In this case, we just have to squeeze the wires on each side to release the cover. You'll see the motor attached to a metal plate. We're going to pull out the entire metal plate so we can switch out the fan, but first, unplug the fan from the outlet in the duct. Take a close look at where the metal plate holding the fan meets the exterior duct walls. There should be a small tab or two that let you unhook the plate. Once you have cleared the tab, you should be able to angle the plate and fan motor down while pulling the other metal tabs from the duct. Once you have removed the fan motor, blade, and metal plate from the ductwork, you can begin to remove the motor. You still have to loosen the fan blade from the motor shaft. To do this, just gently turn the blade while holding the shaft. You should be able to pull the blade off of the shaft while turning and applying pressure. There should be two bolts that fasten the motor to the metal plate. Loosen those bolts and remove the motor from the fan blade. Now you're ready to install the new fan motor. We purchased this universal fan motor for under $20. You can find different motors to suit your needs and even find some that might produce less noise than the previous motor. When replacing, always try to find a replacement that is ENERGY STAR certified so you can save the most energy. To install, just slip the new motor shaft through your duct plate as shown in your instructions. Then you simply attach the motor to the metal plate, making sure the screws are tight. Push the blade back onto the shaft, then reinstall back into the duct. Plug the fan back in and switch the power to the fan back on. There you have it. You've replaced your bathroom vent fan in just a few minutes.